Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing power and storage. This is where most problems are avoided. Plug in the battery or AC adapter, insert a freshly formatted SD card, and attach the lens or mount securely. Once done, power on the camera and watch the initial screen for errors. Make sure date/time is set. You're ready to access menus. Press the menu button to confirm basic settings like image size and file format before moving to composition and exposure. You now configure exposure and focus to get usable images. If you want control, select manual or aperture priority, otherwise use auto. Set ISO low for clean images, then choose aperture and shutter speed aim for 1/60s or faster for handheld. Next, pick an autofocus mode. Single for stills, continuous for motion, or switch to manual focus for precise control. Use the focus assist or magnify feature to confirm sharpness. Make incremental adjustments, if necessary, before shooting. You finish by recording and reviewing your footage to ensure quality. Press record or the shutter, and monitor the histogram and highlight warnings to avoid blown highlights. After each take, replay and check focus, exposure, and audio levels. Reshoot if framing or sharpness are off. If something goes wrong, reset the camera settings to defaults, reformat the SD card, and swap the battery or adapter to rule out power issues. If problems continue, consult the camera's error codes to guide the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.